Okay, so that's some weird sound. Never heard it before. And it seems whenever I shoot, it gets louder. Yeah, just weird sound. Sorry for the rumble. That was my controller vibration. So yeah, it's just a really weird sound. Oh, and all the sound when I was playing in the lobby, it just cut off and then it went to this. Yeah, it's weird.